Hey everybody, welcome back. Just wanted to do a quick video walkthrough of the 5x7 mini album that we made. So I have finished adding my paper and embellishments, and I use mostly Maggie Holmes collection, and I did use that little snapshot embellishment, that Polaroid frame, shaker frame. I use that on the front to embellish this book. I used some of these little decorative flowers, and these were from my Maggie Holmes stash. I used this trim and this paper and those stickers on the front, and that says Happy Little Moments, really tiny. I thought that was really cute. Maggie Holmes has really colorful collections, and so I just grabbed from all of my Maggie Holmes stash, and whatever I thought that I like is what I grabbed and what I used. So I did pop this decorative paper right here up on a piece of chipboard. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a piece of chipboard. I added some metal photo corners on the ends of my book. I use some seam binding as a closure for this mini album, and it usually takes me longer than a day to make an album and get it fully embellished, but by this being a small size album, I was able to get that done in the same day. So I'm just going to open it up here, and I did add magnets. Now, during the tutorial, I did not add the magnets, which I probably should have done. But this is the inside of the front cover, and I added one of these little journaling pockets that came in one of my little Maggie Holmes stash collections. And if I can pull it out, there is a spot to write. Here it is. Just pull it out so I can write a little bit about the photos that I will be adding to this book. So that just pushes in. I think I'm going to make that notch a little bit deeper. But I added some of those stickers. One of these stickers with the foil. This says XOXO, all from different various Maggie Holmes collections from my mini Tuesday morning hauls. Okay, so I did use a magnet right up under here just to keep these pages down. So this flips up. So this gives me a spot for photo here, and these are pretty much blank just for photo mats. Photo here, here, photo there and there, and I just did different papers for each. I didn't even have a plan, I just did it, and then here's where you can add the last photo. So that's the inside front cover. Plenty of space for photos. So to move over to page 1, so page 1 flips up. I added one of those cute little tassel bows that comes in one of the Maggie Holmes collections anyway. So this page flips up, and as you can hear, it has a magnet under there to keep it closed down. There is a pocket right here, and I just added this little piece from one of those. It's also a journaling tag in there from one of the collections in this little envelope there. That's cute. I'm going to add some more little tags and ephemera pieces in my little pockets there. Okay, so then that's first page, and then page 2 flips over, and basically page 2 and 3 are like twin pages, and I got that idea from Rosa Kelly. She does albums, and she does these different layouts where she may make 2 pages look the same. So these pages basically stretch out like an accordion stretch. So this side you get 3 photo spaces, and I just embellished the side with one of those cute little butterfly embellishments, and same with this one, another cute little butterfly, and I have magnets just to keep those Page is closed. That flips over to the next page, and I also loved this pattern with the foiling on it, so I wanted to do both these the same, even though they're not twin pages. So this one lifts up, and there's 2 spots here for photos. Basic page. That's what made this album so easy to make. Okay, and this one just opens out to the side. Same paper, different layout. So the book, you turn the page, and the next page is just a deeper pocket. It's just, I think, 1/2 inch deeper than the first pocket that you saw on the page 1. So I plan to put maybe photos or some more tags and ephemera pieces in here. And then we came to the last page, which is the inside of the back cover of this album. And I added another one of those little journaling envelopes with the journaling card here from one of the collections. I added a sticker there from one of the sticker pages that I have, and these basically the same as the front inside cover. It's just a picture flip. And I wanted this album to be just basically like a brag book. This is how I embellished the spine. I used one of those little Maggie Holmes tassels, and then this tassel right here I got in a swap, and I just tied a bow with some twine to connect those, just to have a little dangle element there. I added some of the stickers from one of the collections on the spine, and then the back of the book here is just layered pattern papers with one of the little stickers, and I plan to put just the date right here from the set of pictures that I'm going to use in this album. So this is the album, and if anybody followed along with me and made this album, if you post on Instagram, tag me. I would love to see what your albums look like, and I just think, I don't know, I think this is a great way to use up some of your stash, use up some of the stuff that you have that it's just been sitting in your craft room, because I go on these hauls and I get all this stuff, and I have it for a long time before it's used up. And so I decided that I wanted to do some projects to help kind of bust my stash. So I use a lot of my Maggie Holmes for this, and of course you guys know I did a video on this embellishment. I think it's so cute, and the colors just really go well for this album with the gold accent. So yeah, that is the super easy 5x7 mini album walkthrough. As always, guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed and you would like to, the link is below. Click the link below to subscribe. Feel free to leave me comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.